Garlic is one of the most powerful natural antibiotics with numerous health benefits. However, many people don't know the best way to use garlic to treat various ailments and maximize its benefits. In this video, we'll discuss the incredible health benefits of garlic and how it can transform your life for the better. We'll also explain the correct way to consume garlic to ensure you gain all its advantages. Before we start, if you've ever used garlic, hit the like button so we can see how many people are interested in this type of video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. One of the amazing qualities of garlic is that it acts as a powerful antibiotic, effective against various infections, bacterial, viral, and fungal. Unlike other antibiotics, which are typically specific to one type of infection, garlic can combat all three types of microorganisms with maximum strength and effectiveness. This unique ability sets garlic apart from conventional antibiotics, making it a versatile and potent natural remedy. Garlic is a rich source of allicin, the compound responsible for its distinct taste and aroma. Allicin, which contains sulfur, is linked to numerous health benefits. However, studies show that cooking garlic significantly reduces its allicin content and other active substances, diminishing its nutritional value. To maximize the health benefits of garlic, it's best to consume it raw. In this video, we will show you the two best ways to take raw garlic to obtain the highest nutritional value and reap its many health benefits. The first method is to swallow a whole clove of garlic. It's best to do this on an empty stomach, as garlic does not negatively affect the stomach in this state. This is especially beneficial for those who suffer from stomach pain or acidity. When swallowed whole, the garlic clove remains intact until it reaches the intestines. In the alkaline environment of the intestines, the garlic disintegrates and releases its active substances, particularly allicin. This is where garlic's true effectiveness begins, acting as an antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-worm agent. Allicin serves as an antiseptic for the intestines, beneficial for those with intestinal worms or colon infections. Several studies have shown that garlic helps reduce inflammation and acts as an antioxidant, enhancing the function of the hormone cortisone, which also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Additionally, allicin helps boost the immune system and lower levels of bad cholesterol. What happens when you eat crushed or chewed garlic? When garlic is crushed or chewed, the distinctive garlic smell is released due to the disintegration of allicin, which reduces its potency. However, this method still has significant benefits. Crushing or chewing garlic releases many organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants that are beneficial for stimulating blood circulation and supporting heart health. Additionally, it helps regulate cholesterol levels and lower triglycerides. Despite the reduction in allicin, consuming garlic this way still provides important health benefits related to cardiovascular health and overall wellness. To obtain the desired health benefits, it's important to choose the appropriate way to consume garlic. Swallowing whole cloves. Swallowing whole garlic cloves will not provide the full benefits for heart health, artery protection, or fat burning. However, it offers significant advantages as an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cholesterol-lowering agent. Crushed or chewed garlic. Consuming garlic in a mashed or chewed form releases many sulfur compounds and antioxidants, which stimulate blood circulation, support heart health, and reduce triglycerides. Additionally, it helps to cleanse the liver of fat, making mashed garlic effective for burning fat accumulated on organs, particularly the liver. By understanding these differences, you can determine the best way to take garlic to meet your specific health needs. To achieve the full spectrum of garlic's health benefits, it's best to combine both methods. In the morning, swallow a whole clove of garlic on an empty stomach. In the afternoon, incorporate mashed or chopped garlic into your meals and drink plenty of water. This approach allows you to harness garlic's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cholesterol-lowering properties in the morning, while also benefiting from its circulation-stimulating and fat-burning effects during lunch. This creates a comprehensive system for health and wellness. Dear viewers, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.